Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change a Behance project thumbnail. All right, let's begin. First, open Behance and go to your profile page. From your profile, locate the project where you want to update the thumbnail. Once you find the project, hover your cursor over the current cover image. You will see a blue pencil icon appear. Click on this icon and select the Edit option to open the project editor. After entering the editor, look for the option to edit the cover image. You can access this through the Settings option or by clicking the Continue button inside the editor. Now choose Edit Cover Image. At this point, you can either select an existing image from your project or upload a new one from your computer. If you want to upload a new image, click the plus icon and choose your file. Once the image is selected, adjust the crop using the slider on the screen. Make sure the main focus of the image is clearly visible in the thumbnail. When you're satisfied, click Crop and Continue to save the changes. Your new thumbnail will now be applied to the project and visible on your profile. So that's basically how you can change a Behance project thumbnail. That's it for this video. Thanks.